Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. It didn't quite land in frame, but it was way too good to go back and do again. Anyways, obviously we have a package from Going Gear. You guys probably know what it is. I mean, I don't know what's in here yet, but we're going to find out together. Thanks to Going Gear for sending this into me. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Let's see what we've got this month. I'm going to guess this is the Going Gear EDC Club box. Or package, rather. There we go. Knife. Oh, okay. We got a couple. Oh, we got another. What is this? Oh boy. Is it a Nuck? What is this? What is this? Who decided that this should be the shape? Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Here. Going Gear will be linked down in the description. Okay. Here we go, the Going Gear EDC Club. Let's find out what the heck this is. This is the Stinger keychain self-defense tool. This is what it says. I'll hold this. The lightweight Stinger keychain could be the difference in getting out of a situation you don't want to be in. You don't say. I would say it's a situation the other person doesn't want to be in and maybe trying to get out of. When held properly, the Stinger aligns itself with the arm bones and its blunt nose. Yeah, nose. This is a nose, guys. Becomes an effective power focus. Made in the USA. Come on. They had to know. They had to know. Oh, man. That's great. Fantastic. You can put that on your keys. Boy. All right. Is that made for someone's face? I don't even want to find out. Well, let's look at these other things. So we have the Rovivon, which I very much like these. I have one on my keychain. Aurora A3 Pro Gen 4 in marble gray. This is a $36 flashlight. And if you guys don't know, I highly recommend these. These are wonderful, wonderful flashlights. It's just a different color than mine. I've got a titanium one. But these are usually very powerful. A lot of them are, 4, 5, 6, 700 lumens. Some of them are even 1,000 lumens. And these aluminum ones are super lightweight. Looks like this guy comes with a pocket clip, right? Now, I won't keep this. I'll end up giving this away along with the... oh, boy. You know what? Down in the comments, I would like you to come up with an alternate name for this. I would like to hear what everybody thinks of that. Yeah. But yeah, these are super duper recommendable. This will end up being given away on a live stream, something like that. So next up, we have... the Victorinox Hunter XT, $72.99. The Hunter XT was specially designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. It includes 2 locking blades, etc., etc. This is all information we can learn by simply opening it up. Victorinox knives are fantastic. These are absolute. Oh, it comes with a really nice pouch here. Oh, this is a little bit. I remember seeing this. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Ooh, do I want to give this one away? Right off the bat, this one is not tipped, but I think that's probably on purpose, I would imagine, because, nope, we've got the saw blade on this side. Are these all, oh, I see, these are actually the liner locks. Yeah, okay. So I did a dumb thing, and I got them both out. So there we go. So these are like reverse. Oh, wait. Is that how you... So I prefer not to cut myself. Oh no, there we go. It's like a reverse liner lock. Okay, so then we have, I'm not sure what this material is. It looks like some sort of plastic. but it also has a Phillips head on it. Is that everything? Let me read real quick. I mean, I could discover, I guess, but we have everless one-handed openings facilitated by parallel thumb holes. Two rugged tone, blah, blah, blah. Oh, it includes a slip joint wood saw, plain cutting edge, and it doesn't mention that it has a screwdriver, but as we have discovered, it has a screwdriver. Also, just as effective, slightly less suggestive than this guy when it comes to punching people in various parts of their body. Don't do that. But this is a screwdriver. Don't do that. Yeah, okay, that's kind of neat, right? Some people, that'll be more enjoyable for some people than others. This will also be an item that gets given away during a live stream. It is just very foreign to me to manipulate the liner lock from the other direction, the opposite way it usually goes. And then this is the premium box. So if you got the non-premium box this month, then it's going to look like this. But this is the premium box. So the final one, oh, I got another one of these. This is the third one of these I've had on this channel. Actually, a pretty popular concept knife. And you can imagine, what I'll end up doing with this. This is the Concept Fenrir. A little bit different here. We've got one with titanium and micarta with a satin finished blade. And I think these are all, S35VN. Perhaps there's some different ones. These, what's interesting? This is all titanium and does have a steel lock bar insert underneath. Titanium clip, standoff construction or pillar construction. That's fine. Yeah, I like this model because of the choke up position. It's kind of like a sharpened arrowhead. Considering what this box costs, this is, once again, I say this pretty much every time. I mean, this, I have to imagine that Going Gear was kind of laughing putting those in there. But there was a time where these boxes were hit or miss. The last however many in a row have all been great. Now, this is a little bit like gambling. If you buy one of these boxes, right? I'm not like, if you guys don't know, I'm not obligated to say nice things. I can say whatever I want, right? So what I would tell you is, what I would suggest is if you're not into the gambling part of this, which is kind of, I mean, some people, I don't know if everybody would be happy with me labeling it that way. But as I said, I can say whatever I want because this isn't a paid ad. I'm not sponsored by Going Gear. They send me this stuff and then I can say whatever I think. So if you like the idea of them sending you random stuff and then the combined value of that stuff is definitely not just by some people's opinion, it's definitely going to cost you less to pay for the box than it is to buy each item individually. If you like the idea of that, but the stuff being random inside, here lately, over the last year, these boxes have all been great. They've all felt like really good values. Both would be that would be applied to both the lower end boxes and these premium boxes, right? Because the premium knife alone is a $188 knife right here, and it is all of that, right? Concept does a good job with those. But if you don't like that, the benefit of watching me do this is you can see these items individually and then just go to Going Gear and pick them up for yourself if that's what you want to do, right? It makes no difference to me. The pages will be linked down in the description and you can do whatever you'd like to do. But I do appreciate Going Gear sending me this stuff. I mean, a lot of this stuff, it's like I said, just gets used for like live stream giveaways, which is a benefit to you guys and to me. So, win-win. But thank you for that, Going Gear. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.